Welcome to MyMirrorClub.com's How to Create and Customize Your Virtual Photo Booth Event tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn exactly how to create, customize, and prepare a virtual photo booth for any type of event using MyMirrorClub. First, log in to MyMirrorClub.com and go to your account dashboard. From there, locate and click the Virtual Photo Booth button. Click the New Event button to begin creating your virtual photo booth event. Choose Regular Event to create a virtual photo booth that can be used on MyMirrorClub.com or embedded as a widget on your own website. Choose Custom Event when you want your virtual photo booth to run from your own custom domain name with SSL security. This option requires you to own a domain and point it to the MyMirrorClub server. For this tutorial, we'll select Regular Event and then click Create. After creating your event, click the three-dot menu to access all of your virtual photo booth settings. Start Virtual Booth launches the virtual photo booth so you can preview and test the guest experience. Manage All Images allows you to view and manage every photo captured during the event. Rename lets you change the name of the title of your virtual photo booth event. Upload Logo allows you to add your business logo or your client's event logo for personalized branding. Upload Laptop Image lets you add the image that will appear inside the laptop display on your virtual photo booth landing page. Upload Cell Phone Image lets you add the image that will appear inside the mobile phone display on the landing page. The Upload Background Image allows you to customize the main background of your virtual photo booth. Change Twilio Credentials is used to connect your own Twilio account for text message delivery. The Enable SMS turns on the option for guests to send their photos by text message. Personalized Message allows you to customize the message guests receive when their photo is shared. You can use this message to promote a product or service, include your website address, add a phone number, share a special offer, or encourage guests to contact or follow your business. The Enable Slideshow turns on the live event slideshow. After a guest submits their photo through the virtual photo booth, they will automatically be taken to the slideshow page, where they can view their photo along with other photos captured during the event. The View Virtual Booth page opens the public virtual photo booth page that your guests will use. QR Code for Virtual Booth generates a QR code that guests can scan to open the virtual photo booth directly on their phones. The View Slideshow page opens the public slideshow page, where everyone can view all the photos submitted during the event. QR Code for Slideshow generates a QR code that can be scanned to open and view the slideshow page. The Website widget provides the code needed to embed the virtual photo booth directly on your website. The Website Slideshow widget provides the code needed to embed the live photo slideshow on your website. Finally, Delete permanently removes the virtual photo booth event, so only use this option when you are certain the event is no longer needed. You have now successfully created and customized your virtual photo booth event by setting up the event details, uploading your branding assets, and configuring the available messaging and sharing features. Before your virtual photo booth can be used, you must add at least one photo template through the workspace. You can add as many templates as you like, giving guests multiple designs to choose from during the virtual event. Once your templates are added, your virtual photo booth will be ready to preview, test, and share with your guests.